Oh, thank you so much. I've learned a lot from you in yesterday and today. So yes,
I hope
thank you as
I
well.
was able to add value to your life.
Yes, yes,
And
definitely.
further
You did. You
also,
did.
I to your life.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talk. I got to know and I got to learn a lot from you, honestly. And I think what you're charging for your session is too less. That's my suggestion. You should charge. You should start charging a little.
I'm also really, it's like you made my day.
Thank you for all the words of wisdom. I am really, really, really thankful to you for opening my eyes and brain, and most importantly, for giving me that confidence that, you know, the call I started was with a lot of inhibition, a lot of doubts. Doubts about how my practice will be,
Going to
about
be.
how I'm gonna, settle in this place. But after the end of this call, this is really giving me a lot of, I can see a lot of unicorns and stars around me. I can see magic is happening.
Right.
So thank you so much. Hopefully I call you very soon.
So hope I was able to add value to your life.
Yes, absolutely. I'm glad I spent 2 hours doing this.
But he wants me to like speak to you because he's very impressed by your work. He used to come so often to pick me up. So he has seen the place absolutely dead, and he's seen the place with me having 4 people in waiting. So he's like 3 cheers to Khushbu kinds.
It was a great session and eye opener for sure. Like we knew nowadays every dentist knows that the marketing is a big part of the dental business, and dentistry is no more that traditional thing where word of mouth and referrals can only work. But here we came to know exactly what marketing means. Like you just cannot post and sit and wait for leads to generate, and also the fear when your generation dentists will come and you'll be outdated and your knowledge will nowhere work and take you places. So we have to keep updated not only in our skills but also in marketing. I think it is very important in today's age.
So I think obviously it is very helpful क्योंकि हम लोगों को ज़्यादा marketing का तो इतना idea ही नहीं है. We're just more skilled for what we are doing. We just want कि हमें कोई patient लाकर दे दे, हम काम कर ले. That's it. So और उसके लिए we can't do everything. So somebody like you can only guide us कि कैसे हम grow कर सकते हैं. So I think अभी जब one-on-one call होगा तो वो और भी helpful होने वाला है हमारे लिए.
I understood more about the digital marketing where we're actually lacking, and we don't really don't have any knowledge about when we have to rely on somebody on this, right? So this partly is a basic knowledge of what we exactly have to do. That part I understood. Whom we have to reach. I never thought about social marketing. Somebody will be there, and I have to talk to them about this. And from past years, I've been figuring it out myself. Like I'll go on Google, I'll search what we are supposed to do, and whatever I understood, I used to put on Google my business. But now I understand, oh, there's a person, I'm supposed to go to that person for help. That part I really didn't know till today.
Right.
Yeah, that is what I understood.
Did you enjoy this boot camp?
Yeah. I really enjoyed it.
Definitely.
Yes. I learned at least some of the things, what I'm supposed to concentrate on.
Khushbu, thank you very much. It was really a session, and definitely there were quite a few takeaways and a lot of things to learn. And yes, it is a need of an hour that we upgrade ourselves in marketing as well. And I'm really looking forward for the thing that you said. It really hit my mind was how to become a good sales-spoken person. So that is, I think, if you are efficient enough to speak and endorse yourself, I think nobody can, no patient will get back without getting the treatment from your clinic. So that is a very good takeaway point for me. So yeah, would get in touch with you definitely. Thank you really very much.
Yeah. I really like this session because Khushbu, we feel we give a lot of our efforts in doing our best, like practicing dentistry to the best level. Right. But I feel in today's world, there's also a need of showcasing your work as well. Because it's an ad work, फिर खराब लगता है कि यार हम इतना मेहनत करते हैं. You're giving your best, you're giving your best timings, everything, and still, फिर when you see ना कि how come that newly opened clinic is and very much highlighted. So I guess this was the platform. Coming up digitally is the need of the hour, I guess. So definitely it was very good coming up to you, and I'm really definitely will be continuing with you.
Firstly, thank you, ma'am, so much for this bootcamp. The greatest takeaway for me, it would be the GMB optimization, because I actually needed it. I was really struggling for that. And though I was in marketing from beginning only, but my approach will definitely change. And the best feature about this is the one-on-one call would really help to move ahead. Thank you so much.